Boys in Black from the Czech Republic, and Vexvr Robotics from Poland. The first final match. We can start. 3 seconds. Let's cheer for the competitors. They all deserve the cheering and applauding and support. So they started the match. The robots are collecting the discs. The first dispenser already empty. The second one also. They are moving towards the line and launching the discs over the fence. The first field is covered. Some discs are also landed on the second part for 3 points. These are moving quickly towards the first score field for number 1 points. There is just one blue dispenser full of discs. Not anymore. Come on. Try to recharge the hand. 8 seconds to go to finish. Come on. Let's see if there will be the expansion. No time for this. Oh, good. Well done. Let's wait for the score. How many points did I get? The first 2 finalists. Vexvr Robots and Vexvr Robotics and Boys in Black. How many points did you manage to get? Let's wait for the referee. Aha, we are going to wait. Okay. 180 points. That's a great score. Yeah, bravo for both of the teams. They have to wait patiently for their opponents on the other side playing field 2. So the 2 Slovenian teams fighting for the first place. Marusha and Vita already.